Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up, bless up. I'll ball on there with the latest updates at JA. So today we are going to talk about what the description of the video said. So please consider to subscribe and like before watching, cause as you can see, there's a lot of new hot topics for the new year. Anyways, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know everybody opinion count, so you don't know today the video, the picture you circulate the internet where Ramesh claims say Rebla bother him for post it. Is it? I don't know why him a wall our picture as hostage, but is there reason behind it? You guys you don't know. But I know if a spy she want to see what go on, you zoom it and I ups up in a Ramesh them thing like that, which me I really have no problem with that, cause we don't tell the people them she's a promo girl, right or I'm wrong. But in other case I feel like somebody should want to see her. Comment. Otherwise from that, guys, you know the style. Footah hype, baby mother Ishawna sets up bops and post a picture with a caption, and one like me read between the lines and thing in it. Make a Footah hype done did say something about her, but this I wish to say, oh, I thought a nigga that came while he was eating my pum pum said something. Hashtag yummy in his tummy, Jaja. So I go say a Footah hype she attack in other case, because the other day Footah hype said some ups and go upon an interview and did I say something about her. Yes, me I go make on the ear with him did I say in other case there. And this is just like 2 days ago, and then she just said some ups with the comment there, with the hashtag.
She painted an impression of me which is not. So even today, even like right now, if I go outside, I'm approached by people thinking that I'm this super humongous monster based on her interviews and what was said via the internet and the songs and all of that. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm really pissed at the after presentation. You understand what I'm saying? Like the way I was presented to the public by her is something that I still haven't forgiven her for yet.
Really?
Yeah. Because I have to live with it. I have to live with it every day.
And so when you say you live with it every day,
meaning like I'm going through the airport. People are talking, oh, see him there? Woman beat him, this and that, blah, 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 blah. So then we have to stand up with 15 people in the airport. I explain my life. And I come back down to a situation where they say, oh, it was like that. Can we have some pictures? Oh, you're totally different from what I thought. And it's an everyday thing. It's been 7 years and I still cannot walk in peace, like, you know? Because I don't think people understand, you know. I am way more popular and, way more known beyond dancehall. I might go to the bank, right? And it might be a 65-year-old lady who does not attend parties and stuff like that. But she watches my YouTube videos religiously. She watches the interviews religiously. And she can, that's Footah hype even when I have on my mask. And then they want to conversate, they want to know, they're looking into the situation and saying, oh, I didn't understand this and I didn't understand that. You know what I mean? For like, it's been 7 years. Sometimes I'm overwhelmed. I say like, why people are still into this? You know what I'm saying? Because it's been gone so long. So it's something we have to live with. You understand? Not saying I was a saint and there wasn't any problems. But the way it was delivered to the public, that's not how it was. And I couldn't do it.
So did you hit her? Like, did you, because that's
We fight. I'm not going to come here and say, oh, I hate her like I'm a madman, getting up and just putting my hands on a woman.
Yeah.
I'm not like that. It's been 7 years. Have you heard any other complaint from any other females that Footah is abusive? Footah is a woman beater? No.
No, but one thing I could say, and this is one thing that I've said when the whole Major Hype situation happened, and going forward with other men in the past who they said have put their hands on women. Men need to understand, if you fight with a woman, right, and from that fight she sustains injuries from the fight, then to me that equals as abuse. Because if she slaps you across your face, and you slap her, you kick her down a flight of stairs, you punch her in her nose, and from that she has a bruise, rib, broken nose, torn scalp, and you're fine. Nothing's wrong with you. I feel like that's abuse.
Oh well, I've never really said this before though, but I have cuts and bruises and stuff like that. Got stitches and shit from out of my situation. But what I'm saying is the reason why I left her alone and give her the playing field, I didn't like 2-2 and continue with her, because I could have been like every time she said something, I go say something.
Yeah.
But
I realized that you did it.
I got a son.
Yeah.
And that's his mother. In time to come, he'll know the truth. He'll understand. But I don't want him to be going on YouTube and seeing me all the time going back and forth with his mom. And if I'm supposed to talk all the stuff that I'm supposed to talk to say, okay, I won, you did this, but that's on the public, just soothing the public. It's not soothing me, and it's not soothing her. Because at the end of the day, no matter what the public validates, I think we got to deal with it.
So, can I say something? I realized that West Indian men, Caribbean men, whatever they want to call it, they only cherish the baby mothers. What about the women that you don't have kids with? That men can't, they break up and then they completely destroy them. They say nasty things about them, and they keep the bad intentions and everything. They just keep it going.
But I'm not going to talk to you about Caribbean men. I'm going to ask you about me. Do you know of any other girlfriends or anybody else for me other than Ishawna?
No.
Okay. So what you said a while ago don't apply to me, because my relationships are not public relationships. The only reason why Ishawna's relationship was so public was because I embedded her in my career. I was responsible for making her known. I was responsible for putting her on the map. She wanted to be an artist. That was her dream. And because I loved her, I wanted to highlight that dream. I did everything in my power to highlight that dream. I spent my own money. I invested. Anybody I was connected with, I connected her, from Wycliffe to everybody. Her biggest performance up to date was with Wycliffe John and Sting. You understand what I'm saying? She has never seen a bigger audience than that before. I did that. She has songs with Wycliffe, she has songs with Busy Signal that I got done. And
so her biggest performance was that, but her most memorable song and performance was the Equal Rights.
No, that's her most memorable song, not performance. And that song is also the song that destroyed her career, that damaged her in a major way. Because it gave people a dirty impression of you, and that impression has stained her career. Remember carefully that Ishawna was the artist looked upon as where Saint Sia is now. Everybody was, Ishawna is beautiful, Ishawna can dress, Ishawna this. But the dirt that came with those type of songs made everybody not want to have anything to do with Ishawna. So the same thing that gave you the spotlight, that gave you the hoorah, hooray, it gave you the nah, we don't want to see her now.
Oh, wow.
So you got to be very careful. You got, in this game, called music and the internet, you got to be careful of who shouts yeah. Because the same voice that shouts yeah, shouts nay. That's how I've been able to survive this long.